The COVID-19 pandemic has transformed my life, and yours too, in ways we couldn't have imagined when we heard about the first cases early last year. In the Northwest Territories, we haven't had the devastating COVID-19 numbers other jurisdictions have had. We're fortunate, but that doesn't mean we haven't had challenges. Across the territory, I know so many of you are still struggling. Businesses have suffered. How you do your job and how your kids learn has changed. How people interact, celebrate, and grieve has changed. And most of all, now, when you or your parents or children start to feel unwell, you wonder whether it could be COVID-19. We all want to get back to doing the things we love, but first, we need to see greater vaccine uptake. Since the start of the pandemic, protecting NWT residents against COVID-19 has been the GNWT's biggest priority. We've known from the beginning that vaccines would be an essential part of our strategy. The government of the Northwest Territories has been planning and delivering our COVID-19 vaccination program as efficiently, equitably, and effectively as possible. In December 2020, following approval of the Moderna vaccine by Health Canada, the NWT immediately began offering vaccinations to eligible residents. By March 2021, the vaccine teams had visited all 33 NWT communities and offered first doses to priority populations, gradually bringing in larger priority groups in the larger centers. By May 2021, the GNWT announced the expansion of vaccinations for individuals aged 12 or older with the Pfizer-BioNTech product. The NWT was the first jurisdiction in Canada to provide vaccines to that age group. The North has a long and devastating history of pandemics, including influenza and tuberculosis, which many elders remember. Now, with COVID-19, getting vaccinated is a choice you can make to protect yourself, your family, and your community. High vaccine uptake is one of the few factors within our control that will help prevent serious illness from COVID-19 and get us a step closer to relaxing restrictions. Many residents across the territory continue to choose to get vaccinated to protect their loved ones. I want to thank those of you who have made that decision. I know others are uneasy or hesitant when it comes to getting vaccinated. If you fall in this category, I want to reassure you that Health Canada only approves a COVID-19 vaccine after top experts, scientists, and medical professionals have carefully reviewed all the scientific data and evidence for vaccine safety and effectiveness. That said, as with any medication, vaccines can cause side effects and reactions. After being vaccinated, it's common to have mild side effects, but this is just the body's natural response as it builds immunity against a disease. I'd like to encourage those of you who have not yet received the vaccine to talk to your friends and family members who have. And if you have received your vaccine and know someone who hasn't, share your experience with them to help ease their anxiety. Remember, it's always safer to get the vaccine than to get the disease, even if you're not at high risk of severe disease from COVID-19. Getting vaccinated will help protect those around you who might be. Northerners are resilient, and I know that together we can increase vaccine uptake, get back to doing the things we love, and ensure the territory remains healthy and vibrant for generations to come. Thank you to all NWT residents for the part you've played throughout this pandemic. Together, we will continue to get through this.